In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Notion and take advantage of its robust features, all with the support of Google and great Notion services. Let's dive in and make your workflow more productive. To begin, we'll start by heading over to your internet browser. While this might seem like an obvious step, it's crucial to ensure you are working in a browser that suits your needs best. Once there, in the search bar, type Notion and hit Enter. This action will lead you to the search results page, where you'll find Notion, a workspace tool designed to help you plan, write, and organize effectively. As you scan through the search results, you'll find Notion usually appears near the top. Click on the Notion link to navigate to their homepage. Here, take a moment to look around to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to Notion. You'll notice it has a clean and minimalist interface, designed for ease of use. Next, locate the Login option on the Notion homepage and click on it. For returning users, this step will feel familiar, but if you're logging in for the first time, follow the prompts to set up your account. It's also advisable to save your credentials securely if you plan on returning often. Once logged in, you're greeted by a dashboard where you can start creating your Notion pages. Your first task here is to find the Add New button, which is vital for creating various content. Clicking on Add New will present a few template options. To keep things straightforward, we'll choose Empty Page today, which gives a blank canvas to tailor your needs. Inside this new page, it's time to leverage Notion's versatile database capabilities. Type the / command followed by Database, and watch how Notion's features come to life. Select Table View, as this provides an easy way to manage and view data efficiently. With your table in place, you can now add your data. Take a look around at the interface, noticing how intuitive and flexible it is. Begin by adding entries or tasks significant to your project. You can progressively build more detailed lists or tables by clicking Add More Data and Add More Tasks. This step is perfect for incorporating all necessary project parts and is flexible enough to suit different requirements. Next, enhancing the functionality of your table, click on Add Property. Properties in Notion allow you to customize and structure your data efficiently. Opt for the multi-select property type. This feature is invaluable for managing items that fit into several categories or tags. Once you've added a property, click below the newly added property to enter your tags. For example, you might type in tags like To Start, Finished, or In Progress, based on the status of each task. Don't worry if you don't get it right the first time. You can always go back and refine these tags to better fit your workflows. Once you have your tags in place, click on Create. This step finalizes the new property settings, enabling you to begin tagging your data immediately. Now, as you click and add tags to your data, notice how it organizes and categorizes everything into neat, accessible blocks. With what you've learned, Notion can become a powerhouse in how you organize your work and ideas. Continue exploring its vast features and see how it fits your personal and professional life. Happy Notioning!